Okay. Oh. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
This guy
Yeah.
wants to take a picture by the banner. You gotta be in the picture.
Yeah, you gotta be in the picture.
The
Yeah,
man
yeah,
is
yeah.
#1. You gotta be in the picture.
All right, yeah, point the other side. Yeah, that's awesome. All right, look at me. Here we go. Cool, thank you.
40 years, eh?
Yeah,
40
me
years,
and my buddy
Jeff.
Mike Gonzalez started it, and back then we had, I think, probably about 10 guys.
10 guys.
10 window cars, and I never had a window. Mine was painted on the deck lid, and the other guys had their windows done. And
When did you start painting the windows?
Well, we have one window which will
We
be at
had
the
one
party. We have
window-
original window will be at the
the
party.
original window would be at the
wow,
party,
okay.
and that was Mike's brother. He had one of the original windows, and then with time they developed to this, and now we're 40 years of, I would say 40 years of excellence.
Yeah.
40 years of excellence.
40 years of perfection, I think. Yeah,
Perfection, there you go. That's
yeah,
another one too.
yeah,
Been around a
Yeah.
long time,
yeah.
and you could see it on all the gray hair. And
Everybody got old.
yeah.
But I don't think you thought it would be this big 40 years. No.
So right now, how many cars? How many members?
Here we
What-
have 16 cars. I mean, worldwide, I think members, we probably have close to 40.
Japan's got quite a bit.
Koji, yeah.
Yeah, Koji's got quite a
his own
bit.
little
Yeah.
And now
yeah.
I'm seeing that they're even getting bigger out there.
Yeah.
And then you got the UK, which the guys are got their stuff going out there. So, yeah, it would be nice if we could all get these cars together one time, and
Oh, that would be
that'd be great.
Yeah, that would be great. Yeah.
But that's hard because everybody lives
yeah.
so
on
cool.
the other
spread,
side of the
yeah.
world.
Yeah.
Well, Prada, we're going big. Prada, we should have close to 21 window cars.
Oh wow.
There's 14 here, so 21.
And tell us about the Pomona rollers. I really love.
And the Pomola, you know about the Pomola rollers? They're at the end. They're the
What
ones
is a Pomona roller?
Just really a car that's not up to GFK quality that we enjoy cruising.
It's more like a daily drive
yeah,
for
daily
you.
driver. Yeah.
I love
No,
you
no
guys.
window. These only
Why
go on-
Pomona roller?
Because
Because
we love Pomola Swap Meet. Pomola Swap Meet is our show.
German folks is all that's
That's what we
our
like. We like
Pomona
Pomona
swap.
Swap Meet.
yeah.
So the rollers are the cars that don't have back windows because it takes a lot to get a back window. So the majority of the guys just have rollers.
You start with a roller, and then when you build a German folks car.
That's
So
the goal.
how you can build the Windows car? So what kind of parts you have
It
to have?
has to be a pan-off restoration, all done.
And you have to have the rear Porsche wheel, RE
You-
wheel.
The majority of the cars all have real alloys. They don't have to have them.
Okay.
They could go with 5 spokes, but the majority of the cars
Have
are real
real.
alloys.
Yeah.
There is some stuff you have to
We
have.
got a couple of cars in the club that have 5 spokes.
Yeah.
But for the majority of it, it's all alloys. Look at the alloys; they make your car look so
yeah.
good.
And then you guys never stop polishing the wheel. Always. That's so much respect.
Always trying to improve.
Yep.
Yeah.
Always little things. If you look at the car
Yeah.
from his brother's car from 1992, which will be at Prado.
It was supposed to be here today, but he
the
got
ride, the
awesome.
purple bug.
Yeah.
That'll be there. From that to the split, you can just see what we've done. From
Oh,
just
wow.
from day one.
You
to-
see, there's 4 split windows here,
Yeah.
and there's more to come that are in the making right now. So hopefully, we'll have more splits out there. And
That's awesome.
Keep improving.
And really, if you think about it, back when I started in '90, our cars were clean, but we did a lot of stock motors.
Yeah.
If you look at all these
Right,
cars,
that's been when I start
stock
shooting
motors.
your car. Yeah,
all
not
these
because of
cars,
stock motor.
48s.
Yeah, that's amazing.
That's what they do now.
Look at Donnie's split window. That's the newest split, and that car is just so much detail.
Yeah.
So much detail. And the next splits that are coming out,
Yeah.
can't wait to see those. They're even going to be nicer.
It's not like it's like a cup thing. Some guy would do a car, and the other member just wants to do just a tiny bit, little more
Have it a
detail,
little bit
just a
better.
little bit more better, you know, because they see what the level is, what the bar is. We just try to go a little bit higher.
And sometimes you guys have so rare, accessory
Yes.
parts.
Yes, this car alone, Paul Salinas' car has some
Yeah,
very rare.
yeah.
Well, all of them have some very rare accessories.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's good. That's good.
Yeah, we've
Yep. 40 years.
40 years.
Been around a long time.
Yeah, congratulations. Yeah,
Thank you,
that's,
thank you. This
another
is
40
day one.
years probably.
Well, they will be another 40 years. I'll be gone. I'll be dead. But they'll still
How old
continue.
are you right now?
Oh, I'll be 59 this year.
No,
so
probably
I'm
40 years
old.
should be fine. I think.
I'm old. I've been around. I've been around the ballpark.
But it's nice to see him back. He was gone for a little
Yeah.
bit, but it's nice to have him back. 'Cause
Yeah, it's
what
so
him and his
cool.
wife Yoli have done,
This is so
Yes.
cool. Yeah, this is so cool.
Well, most of all, we're just like everybody else. We're all family.
Yeah, yeah.
We all have the same goals in common. Family,
Yeah, truly, you guys looks like a true
beer,
family. Yeah,
and
yeah.
food.
Beer and
That's
food.
beer, food.
that is true.
That's true.
All right, guys. All right, thank you.
No problem.
All right.
Thank you.
All right.
Thank you, Ruben.